네, 나무는 살짝 슬리퍼리하네.
I just got here, yeah, but I've been having nothing but problems.
뭐? 부러지는 소리 난다.
뭐가 부러지는 소리 나는데?
뭐 문제 생겼다. 응? Or he insisted. I don't know.
That would be crazy in real life, man.
Oh wow! Look at that thing go.
I don't think these wheels are gonna cut it.
Now what?
여기까지 인사하겠죠?
아니 케이블이 문제야. 케이블 계속 하도 언마킹이 안 돼서 언마킹만 신경 썼더니 락킹이 안 되네. 아 케이블 계속 눌렸거든.
Yeah.
And then because I was running other people
Yeah.
then the wires messed it up.
Oh no.
Like look, you can see on the pole on the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, I might find a good shot for you.
Just really slick today.
Yeah. Crazy. I normally have no problems on here. Oh, jeez. Camera shot.
I did not realize that. Oh.
대박이다.
What's the vehicle on the back?
Oh, jeez. I like your style.
It's completely balls out.
Mm-hmm. I'd say. With the truck on the trailer.
Yep.
Come on now.
Oh, sorry.
Me or you? Sorry.
That was me.
I think I rear-ended you. No damage. You don't have to get ICBC.
Oh, that was me. That was me. Oh.
Little top end.
Did it!
Nice.
Now you just need to figure out how to get your truck down. If If you're able to, you can turn around and go that way.
Yeah.
일로 차 빠지면은
Do that.
Then we can finally. We're just about to the teeter tot.
차더 맞춰야겠다. 그게 문제가 아닌 것 같은데? 네, 그래요? 트럭을 위에 갖고 있다는 게 문제인 것 같은데? 응? 차를 다 맞춰. I think that's the problem. There's a reverse photo axle. 그 다음 and reverse photo axle 봐야지.
I'm on my side.
Oh shoot. Okay. Oh, you're nuts.
Well, at least he isn't trying the suspension side.
Got 8 tires helping him there.
But my truck needs the winch.
Oh, you need a winch? Oh, okay, we'll pull you out. Here, let me get that.
Mine is just sitting helplessly on it.
이번
Mine
F
just
실력
has
나왔거든.
the fans running.
답이 없어.
waiting for help.
Okay, we're coming. We got a Jeep and it's These lights are too bright. Not a homeless truck. Boy, this is gonna be interesting. Whoa,
Hey, you could wrap it around that.
I think I'm gonna wrap it around this. Yeah, good call.
Yeah, look at the tow truck, the height.
Oh boy, here we go.
Or you could go this way, then come down.
I'm just gonna back up and pull you over. Oh, there you go, my friend. It's fixed. You've been rescued.
Dad, look at the tow truck. Yours is inching backwards. It is.
I know. I believe you. I was going.
Yeah.
Right. Look at his.
Your last axle, did you add that in?
See how heavy you are. Who's
Not
heavier?
heavy enough.
Uh-oh.
I bet that tow truck is coming from water.
Went from the stock motor, which we replaced like 3-4 times because he burned it out,
Oh yeah.
to washless motor. Had to get a new speed controller, and had to replace the drive gear connection.
Watch out! The That's my
Oh, okay.
You got this?
I got it.
No problem.
I got it.
It's all good. hung.
Little, nice little touch there.
Yeah.
Oh, Dad,
Yeah.
the front wheels come on.
That truck just fall up here.
So far, so good.
We're getting shown up by the 8x8.
Yeah, I'll give you a push. Just give me a sec.
Okay.
Ow.
Oh, should I?